All right, market's up today. Let's check out my what the hell is going on? Hey, plant-based food fans and investors, how y'all doing? Emmy Hilson here, back again with another very good food company update. Today, we see its valuation gone down a lot. And what's the biggest reason for that? I'm here to talk about it. They announced they're actually raising 30 million US dollars by issuing more shares. Now, this is something very, very common for all publicly traded companies. In order to raise more capital, sometimes you have to do a share dilution, which means you create more share and you sell it. And depending on how much more you create, it lowers your valuation because now there's more shares, right? There's higher supply and it's probably lower demand as well. Now, they raised $30 million by selling each share for $2 American, and they are selling 15 million of them. I agree that they should do something like this, but I don't agree that at the pricing. I feel like they could have gotten a much better pricing deal, at least 20% higher than $2. So I'm a little bit disappointed by that, but this is something that's going to happen in the future as well to raise more capital. Now, what they're going to do with the money, obviously typical things like expanding their operations, their brand, marketing in a way, awareness, possibly accusations, buying other companies in the plant-based food industry. So this is going to help them, expand. And that's why this is a huge stock drop today. This valuation, 21%, is nothing to overlook. Okay, this is something you got to be aware of. And you look at the average volume, right? Usually it's around 170,000, but today's at 2 million, right? That shows you the big sell-off in a way, and because there's more supply of shares in the market. Now, yesterday I talked about how they're expanding in China, and I read some comments saying that most of you fans don't really agree with that decision, but I feel overall it's a great decision for the company. They don't want to be a North American brand only, right? They want to expand into being more of an international brand. And I think announcing something like this it's important, right? Of course, they should focus more on North American because that's their main market. But if you see opportunities elsewhere, why not try and take advantage of that? Try it out. That's what it is. Okay, and that's why I disagree with some of the fan base that they say like this is not a good time to be releasing something like this as well. I think it's a good time, and you just recently listed yourself on the NASDAQ. Now, if you are not a shareholder and you're thinking of buying the company, I think it's now a good time. It's a good valuation. They have their upcoming report in the next few weeks. If you're interested, join into my live stream for that. And as for me, whether I'm buying more, selling, or holding, I've been holding on to this company for almost a year already, and I've seen it gone from $1.75 when I bought in all the way to like $8 or $9, drop all the way back down to here now. It's not time to be selling. At the end of the day, it's still a great company. It's in a better situation than it is last year. So why would I sell at only 30-40% gain? No. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something new as well with every new finance video I post. And if you're interested, you can check out my Discord and some other finance videos as well. As always, it's fate that brought us together. Thank you all for the support.